I'm just putting the finishing touches now to our mascot, our little skin cell. And it's a mascot for this year's symposium, Face the Future. And we've deliberately collected together eminent scientists who are just on the fringes of personal care and cosmetics. These are people who we wouldn't normally meet in our everyday lives, but they're experts on stem cells, they're experts on nanotechnology, smart materials, they're expert on areas where we'd like to know a little bit more. We're going to let the first 50 people who come to the symposium, they're going to have our mascot as part of their tea. And he's cute, isn't he?
He's very cute.
I feel that our industry is all about innovation, and innovation comes from knowledge. We're all very, very busy. So the strength of coming to the symposium is in one location. You're going to have everybody there, and you can ask them all those questions you've always wanted to ask, get the answers you need, and then go back to your labs and innovate. So I hope you're going to join me and our skin cell at this year's symposium, Face the Future.